Hi, I'm Cristian Mercado, and today I have something exciting to announce. If you're passionate about filmmaking, creativity, and storytelling, you're about to love what I'm going to tell you. I created a newsletter. It's called The Creative Pause. It will be diving into the world of storytelling, creativity, productivity, gear, etc. Every week, I'll be sending an email to my subscribers. As a filmmaker, I've always believed in the power of story to make us pause, think, and reflect. That's exactly the purpose of this newsletter, to give you a pause, a moment to think creatively, to feel inspired, and to learn something new in the art of filmmaking. So what can you expect from the Creative Pause? Every issue will bring you videography techniques, filmmaking tips, personal insights, new gear coming out in the industry, and stories from creatives all over the world. This is the type of stuff I don't talk about in my videos, and you're gonna get all of it if you just subscribe to the email. Signing up is super easy. Just click the link in the description down below, put your email inside, and press the subscribe button. And this is all for free. So don't miss your chance, take advantage of this. Go down there, sign up right now. The first issue of the Creative Pause will be dropping next week. So make sure to sign up quickly. If you guys have any questions about the filmmaking industry, just message me right here to this email address, and I will personally answer them in the email. And if you have a business or YouTube channel, I'll make sure to give you a shout out if you submit Q&A questions. And I'll make sure to give you a shout. And if you have a YouTube channel or a company, I'll make sure to give you a shout out if you submit questions. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.